guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a little striping brush haul for you guys. So I'm gonna say JosLove. JosLove. I'm gonna guess that's how you pronounce it. They sent over this pack. So they actually asked what kit I wanted, and I went with a darker kit because I don't have many of the dark colors in my other liner brushes. So they give you a little pamphlet, the generic, you know, gel polish thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these. All right, let me take them out. First one is 307. Super nice, dusty sage green. Really pretty. Next up is 308. I love this blue. This I think is gonna be popular for fall. And I'm noticing these feel like gel paints. They feel a little bit stickier than my other striping polishes. I would say these almost feel like, yeah, so let me, I have autofocus on or off, but you can see the string. So that's how most gel paints work. And this is 311. 309. Ooh, okay. Look at that glitter. I just want that on my nails. Next is 310. And this is a blue glitter with a blue undertone. Next is 3. And don't worry, I'm gonna bring them super close to the camera. Next one is 301. Ooh, okay. Look at that red. That's a pretty red. I like that. 302. 305. 303. Ooh, I like this color a lot. That's a pretty color. 304. And 306. I'm gonna bring that down here. All right, I figured I would bring you closer. These are beautiful striping gels. Again, I got the darker colors because I'm kind of prepping for fall. If you catch my drift. The glitters were a nice surprise. I don't think I realized those guys were glitters. Obviously I gooped it on, so it's probably a little bit harder to see. This one's really nice. It's probably my favorite glitter of the two. But I want to show you what I'm talking about with the gel paints. I'm going to cure this and see if it's tack free. In it out of the lamp, and they are tack free. Okay, so these essentially are gel paints with, like, in a little bottle. You like, so most of them are in pots, like so. But these are very nice. What I think is great about these is that since they are like a gel paint, I can also use them for doing nail art that doesn't necessarily need this specific striper brush. For example, like if I'm creating, I don't know, a dark wintry scene and I use this super dark blue, I would be able to use that as a paint, not only like just as a gel. I hope that makes sense. So I think these are super neat. They are very pigmented, which is really good for gel paints, because you don't want to have to keep going over and over and over again with gel paints, because that will end up getting a thicker line or messing up your design. If you finally get like that curve, this could just be me, and then you have to go over it again and then it's all messed up. So that I'm so happy to see that these are really pigmented and they're tack free, which means they are a paint gel versus just a normal gel striping brush, which I absolutely love. So thank you again, Joss Nails, for sending me these. I will go ahead and link them below and any coupon that they provide me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.